Good morning, kids. Welcome to the science class. Okay, in the previous part of the video, we were understanding chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. We are going to continue that chapter in this part of the video. I hope you must be remembering what we had done in this chapter till now, right? So, we were learning about Amrita. Amrita used to live in village named Khejadli. And where is Khejadli situated? It is situated near Jodhpur, which is in Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is a state of India, right? And also, we learned that Amrita has special friends, and those friends were trees. She used to love them a lot, right? And also, she used to hug them and request them to give their strength to her also. Today, we are going to continue her story. Kids, do you know what is deforestation? Yes, cutting down of trees is called deforestation. And if we will cut down all the trees, then we will not able to live. So what's the solution for it? We should grow more and more plants around us in our environment. Okay, today I will teach you how to grow a plant. Okay, we will do this activity. Okay, so first thing for growing plant is you have to prepare the soil. Okay, you have to take fertile soil and you have to prepare it. Then you have to add seeds to it. Whichever you plant you want to grow, you need to put its seed in that soil. Then you have to water it regularly. And once you water it regularly, after some days you will come to know that the plant had started growing. Okay, try this activity at your home. You will enjoy a lot. The village is protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on, no tree would be cut and no animal harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the villagers of this area called Bishnois continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. So, when king come to know that villagers love and respect trees so much, then he passed an order not to cut trees in that area and no animal will be harmed in that area. And do you know, the people who used to save and protect trees, they are called Bishnois. Okay, and even today Bishnois protect plants and animals in that area. Okay, now do you know that Chipko movement was started by social activist Sundarlal Bahuguna because he used this weapon to save trees. That's why he is called renowned social activist. In this movement, Also, people used to hug the trees in order to protect them from cutting down. Right? Okay. Now, kids, it's time to become super scientist by doing this research. It's time for project. Gather more information about Sundarlal Bahuguna, also about his Chipko moment. You can take help of your parents, books and internet. So, my super scientist, are you ready? Very good. Okay, now as I have promised you in the previous part, I will teach you about a very special tree, that is Khejari tree. So here it comes. But before that, how Khejari tree look like? See the picture of Khejari tree. This is Khejari tree. This is how it looks. The Khejari tree is found mainly in desert areas. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for medicines. People cook and eat its fruit. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. Animals in this area eat leaves of Khejari tree and children like to play inside its shade. So, kids, do you know why it is so special? Because each part of this tree help others. How? See, first is as it grow in the desert area, so it does not need much water. Second is its bark is used for making medicine. Even its fruits are eaten and cooked by people. Fourth is its wood is very useful as it is not affected by insects. Even it also helps animals as they eat leaves of Khejari tree and its leaf give shade to the visitors and children also play under it. So in short, it not only help children or any other human beings, but also it helps animals. So that's why it is very special. It is contributing itself completely to others. Okay, that's really very impressive thing about Khejari tree, right? Okay. Now kids, it's time to refer science dictionary. We have learned lots of new words in this chapter. Let us recall them one by one. First one is Khejari, a type of tree grown in Rajasthan. Second word is survive, continue to live or exist. Next word is axe. A metal tool used for cutting wood is called axe. Next word is hunting. An activity for killing wild animals is called hunting. Next word is Bishnois. A group of people living in Khejari is called Bishnois. Next word is protect. To save something from being damaged is called protect. Kids, this was your chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you. Bye bye.